Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you guys with a video update on Cappmore FX and the copy provider through Jay's the Teachable Tech trading service. Today is June 20th, 2023. And before we hop into today's video, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification to be notified each and every time I drop new content to the channel. So with that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Today's video regarding Cappmore FX is going to be relatively short. I don't have a whole lot of information, but I do have important information. If you are already part of Cappmore FX and you were subscribed under the previous Team UK copy trading provider, they did go ahead and change over copy providers. So you need to go ahead and change over copy providers. If you haven't changed yet before Sunday, you are not going to be getting the trades, the copy trades to your account. It's very simple to do. If you're already in my FX Superheroes, or I'm sorry, this is not part of FX Superheroes. This is a separate chat altogether for Cappmore. Just go ahead, get in there, and there's a step-by-step instructions. I'll actually show you guys how to do it. It's free to change. They're just changing over providers to be a little bit more consistent across the board. But this was the announcement back on the 14th. This is the Cappmore FX group for Mr. Crypto Vet's team, which is my team. And right here, they put, hey, those who have put under 500 are currently unable to change the provider to Forward Expert 1. Ajay has already been notified and changes will be made on provider in the next 24 to 48 hours to allow people under $500 to register on it. Announcement will be made once the changes are made, so kindly hold on till then to do anything to you on your end. In the coming months, the minimum entry will be reverted back to 500 now that the wider community has got a glimpse of how consistent and transparent this project is. All right, so here's just a quick little snapshot of how it's been performing. There is actually right here, this is the Zoom with the recording. Keep in mind this passcode right here. You'll need this passcode to watch it within the first 2 minutes of this video. It tells you everything that you need in order to change over providers. And here's my little comment. You know, very simple and easy explanation. Thank you. Just did mine in 2 minutes. All right. So here's some more progress for the month. Here is the entire calendar for the month right here. So you can see that we have crushed it already. 11.72%. This was as of last week. I think this morning we had even a bigger profit. Yeah, look at that, 1.80, which might be the largest day of the month. Let me see here. I don't see anything. Oh, no, the very first day of the month, we did 1.98 or 1.96. You know, I can't see. So that explains that. So that's, you know, still really good trading day. This was a very wide open day. There was no red folder events, nothing crazy is going on. I know we do have a red folder event tomorrow, so we'll see how that plays into it. But aside from that, you guys, like I said, it's very simple to trade over the provider. It's free to do. It doesn't cost you anything. And, you know, once again, for those of you guys, this might be your first time watching any of my Cappmore FX videos. This is a copy trade service through a broker named Cappmore. And we have the opportunity here to participate in copy trades for a 50-50 split. So 8 to 10% is the minimum that they're looking at monthly, month after month on this project. And it can go, you know, as high as it needs to, as high as they do. But as you can see here, the month to date for the 16th, they were already sitting at 11.72. So if you're going to close out the month here on this day at this percentage, you just take 50% of 11.72, which is 11.72. which would have ended you at a 5.86. And you see that we still have 2 weeks left in the month. So as long as they continue on the same trajectory for their percentage that they're capitalizing on daily, we'll easily hit that 10% or greater mark for the month. So, I mean, it's a very simple thing. They take out all of the 50% profit ahead of time, so you don't have to worry about, when you submit your request, if the 50% has been taken out already or not. Super easy withdrawal process as well. All the information is in this group. If you want more information, feel free to reach out to me directly on Telegram. Shoot me a DM. But this is a really, really, really awesome. Aside from it being a 50-50 profit split copy trader, they have a recovery mode where in the event that they do take a loss, they will attempt to recover those funds the very next day. And if they're not able to return those funds the next day, they will come out of their pocket from the trader side to end up paying that loss. So I haven't seen anything like that in the space. And they actually haven't even had to utilize it. That's how good these guys are in the past. I want to say 6 months. I did an interview with a Jay. You can go back on the channel and take a look for that video where I did it. It was about a 1 hour interview. He came on, he took some live trades with us here on the channel. So, they definitely know what they're doing. This is the real deal here, you guys, with this. So if you guys are interested or want more information, feel free to reach out to me. I can get you into this group. I can walk you through how to fund your account. Right now, I don't know if that little issue has been fixed of the $500 minimum. Before, it used to be $100 minimum that you need to get started. So if you have in between that 100 and 500 bucks or more to get started with this project, definitely reach out to me. I'll leave my link in the description below of this video on how to get started. And until then, you guys have a good rest of your day. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.